Production of the Jeep Grand Wagoneer for the 2026 model year has been established at the iconic Warren Truck Assembly Plant of the Stellantis concern in Warren, Michigan. This year, the production line has undergone a massive transformation that reflects the strategic turn of the Jeep brand. The more affordable Wagoneer model has been integrated into the premium line, and now all versions of the SUV are available under the Grand name, including the standard version and the extended Grand Wagoneer L. This reorganization required a complete reconfiguration of the assembly line with a focus on high standards of luxury and precision corresponding to the level of flagship SUVs. The most important feature of the updated line was the concept of flexible hybrid production, supported by investments in the amount of $97.6 million. These funds were used to modernize capacities, taking into account the prospects for electrification, and the main achievement was the unique ability of the conveyor to simultaneously produce fundamentally different versions of the car. Traditional gasoline models with Hurricane bi-turbo engines and the REEV range extended electric vehicle modifications, innovative for the American market, are assembled side by side on the same line. The latter combine a traction electrical installation with a compact gasoline generator that recharges the battery in motion. Automated systems precisely distribute the installation of either internal combustion engines or heavy battery modules onto a single spar frame without disrupting the rhythm of the main production flow. The SUV assembly process is divided into several high-tech stages. In the stamping shop, powerful presses form body elements, and special dies and vacuum manipulators are used for aluminum doors and hood, which reduce the overall weight of the machine. In a robotic welding shop, the frame is welded mainly without human intervention. Hundreds of robots perform spot laser welding, achieving perfect geometry and precise gaps that are critical for a massive frame structure. The new paint shop, built as part of the modernization, allows for the application of branded two-color paint schemes, for example with a contrasting black roof, which requires complex robotic masking of individual body sections. The key moment of production is the wetting stage of the body and chassis, when the painted body is perfectly combined with the chassis and power plant. At this stage, either an independent suspension or an advanced quadra-lift pneumatic system is installed, and the appropriate power plant is selected. Since the Grand Wagoneer is positioned as a direct competitor to the Cadillac Escalade, the final assembly is accompanied by a level of quality control unprecedented for Stellantis factories. Craftsmen manually place premium Palermo leather and natural wood inserts in the salon, after which laser scanners check the accuracy of the seams and panels. Special attention is paid to testing the digital ecosystem. A special stand is used to diagnose the operation of multimedia systems with a total screen area of up to 75 inches, including displays for rear passengers. The final checks include passing through a light tunnel to detect the slightest defects in the paintwork and a hydro test in a high-pressure chamber simulating extreme weather conditions, which makes sure that the hatches and joints are tight. This comprehensive approach ensures that each Grand Wagoneer meets the strict requirements of the premium segment.